We are going through some tough and challenging times. However, survival is key. Many investors were doing smart work. What was it that they were doing different than most of us? Want to find out? For that, let's rewind a little bit. Do you remember what the Sensex levels were? The Sensex was at around 23,000. And where is it today? What were you doing in the markets at that point of time? Did you participate in the markets? My name is Rajesh Tangdi, your Shubchintak, and I am going to present to you some facts, some figures which I have been personally following and I wish I can share with you today. Remember, these are not tips nor recommendations. It is what I have been following personally and I have been successful at it. And I wish I can share these particular things with you. It is an attempt to make things simple. Simple investment ideas which you and me and everyone can follow. So without further ado, let's invest our time onto this video and I'll roll out some of the facts that would have missed your eyes. Maggi khaya hai? Milkmaid? Well, these two brands have always taken a share in your kitchen. I'm talking about a company called Nestle. Do you know what the 52-week high and low was? Well, on 19th March 2020, just before the lockdown, it was costing, one share was costing 12,588. And it went on to a 52-week high on 17th of April 2020. This was slightly later than the lockdown. It went up to 18,301. And do you know the current price? Well, the current price is 17,140. Another story which I have been investing into as well. Parachute hair oil, malum hai na? Yes, that particular stock belongs to Marico Industries. On 23rd March when the lockdown started, that stock was valued at 234 rupees. On 23rd March 2020, that stock was 234 rupees. It went on to a 52-week high on 9th of November 2020 at 390 rupees. And the current price is 370. Well, जो घड़ी आप पहन रहे शायद टाइटन का होगा. The gold that you would be purchasing would be from Tanishq. I'm talking about Titan Industries. Yes, that particular company, that share on 24th of March, just a day after the lockdown was announced, was valued at 720 rupees. And on 20th February 2020, just before the lockdown, was 1,341. Can you guess what the price is? The current price? The current price is 1,331. Well, there is another story. Most of us would be having a housing loan, and in all probabilities, it would be taken. The housing loan was taken from HDFC Limited. I will tell you a story about it. HDFC Limited on 24th March, that share in 2020 was valued at 1473, and on 14th January 2020, before the lockdown, it was 2499. Now you would say 2499 and it came down to 1473. Was it a good time to invest? Let's see what the current price is. The current price is 2326. Well, आपकी salary, आपका savings account, most of them would be having some fixed deposits, maybe some lockers. I am talking about India's biggest private bank. That's HDFC Bank. Do you know what the price was? The 52-week low was on 24th March 2020. 52-week low was on 24th March 2020 and it was costing 739 rupees. 739. And it went on to a high, 52-week high was on 18th November 2020, which was 1418. The current price is 1,379. Well, let's not talk about banks. Full India is almost covered with lot of infrastructure stories. There are roads getting built. There are so many projects that are happening around, right? The metros. There is no such road which has been left untouched. I'm talking about a company which is getting the maximum share out of all of this, and that company is Larsen & Toubro. You know what the 52-week low and high was? On 23rd March 2020, it was 661 rupees. And you might say, lockdown के वजह से all the work would have stopped. 21st November 2019 was a high for it, and that was at around 1417 rupees. And do you know what the current price is? 1153. Well, moving on. Soap, detergents, Surf, Lux, Rexona, Hamam, Lifebuoy, all of these are brands which you and me, all of us have used. I am talking about one particular company, which is Hindustan Unilever. Do you know what the 52-week low or high was? On 19th March 2020, it was 1756. 19th March 2020, 1756, 52-week low. 52-week high was on 8th of April 2020, 2614. And the current price of that particular share is 2136. Moving on, और both ideas है. So don't get astonished and please make a note of all of these names. I would want you to answer correctly as to which are these stocks that you have invested. Highest market share in automobile, which is that one particular company? No guesses? It's Maruti Udyog, Maruti Suzuki Limited, right? If on 3rd of April 2020, that share was 4,002 rupees, and on 17th of January 2020, it was at a 52-week high. That was 7,566. And do you know what the current price is? It is 7,090 rupees, almost touching the 52-week high. Well, I have another idea. Let me talk about IT services, right? Because they are the ones who've been working out of home. I'm talking about Infosys, one of the giants in the Indian industry. 19th of March 2020, it was at a low of 511 rupees, whereas on 15th of October 2020, it had reached a 52-week high of 1185. What's the current price? The current price is 1102. Well, let me cite another example on the IT front, which is nothing but TCS. That particular share on 13th of March 2020 was at a 52-week low of 1504 and a high on 8th of October 2020 at 2885. What's the current price today? 2645. Well, the Jios of the world and the Facebooks of the world have all come together. No guesses for this one, it's Reliance Industries. Want to know more about it? Wait a minute. 23rd March again 2020, that particular share was costing 867 rupees. And on 16th of September 2020, it was costing around 2368. And currently the share is trading at 1985. Cement, I talked about L&T. Of course, they need cement for all their infrastructure projects. Why should we leave the cement industry behind? Ultratech Cement, one of the cement giants. On 25th of March again, or 2020, these are all dates which are corresponding to the lockdown, the start of lockdown. On 25th March 2020, it was costing 2913. It had reached a high, 52-week high, on 17th of November 2019. It reached a high on 17th November 2020 at 4977. And currently the price is 4847. Well, ये मजबूत जोड़ है, टूटेगा नहीं. कौन सा शेयर है? It's that particular brand is an extremely strong brand called Fevicol, and it belongs to Pidilite Industries, right? That particular share on 25th March 2020 was at a 52-week low at 1186. It reached a high on 11th March 2020, 1709, and is currently trading at 1570. Well, दिवाली थी, घर में किसी ने पेंट तो किया नहीं होगा शायद, but then Asian Paints has always been a part of all our homes, right? A 52-week low for Asian Paints was on 19th March 2020. It was costing 1431. And on 9th November 2020, it reached a high, 52-week high of 2249. and currently it is trading at 2165. Another company, and I'm talking about गाड़ी शायद नहीं लेंगे आप, but maybe a two-wheeler. So who manufactures the maximum two-wheelers in India? It is Hero MotoCorp. That particular company on 24th of March 2020, it was at a 52-week low of 1475, and on 16th of October 2020 it reached a high of 3393 and is currently valued at 3027 per share. और एक नाम बताता हूं, रॉयल एनफील्ड, सभी ने नाम सुना है, राइट? बट दैट पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड बिलोंग्स टू आइशन मोटर्स. Eicher Motors on 7th of April 2020 was valued, that share was valued at 1246, and on 18th of November it reached a 52-week high of 2629. Currently it is trading at 2623. Why am I telling you all of this? Well, I will tell you. Just hold on. Batteries for backup as well as vehicles. Which name comes to your mind? Exide? Let's see what it says. 13th of March 2020, 121 rupees per share. 27th of January 2020, it was at a 52-week high of 2008. Currently it is trading at 170. Tires, MRF, चलो MRF की बात करते हैं. 24th of March 2020, it was at exactly 50,000 rupees. One share of 50,000 rupees. You would say, Rajesh, have you gone bonkers? 50,000 एक शेयर के लिए चांस ही नहीं है. सुनो अभी स्टोरी बाकी है. 18th of November 2020, it reached a high, 52-week high of 75,414 rupees. Currently, it is trading at 76,396 rupees. Okay. Let me ask you another question. Which is the biggest bank in India? State Bank of India. Most of us would be having either a PPF account or some of the other accounts with State Bank of India, right? If we have invested all of this money in State Bank of India and we have trust on State Bank of India, have you invested into their share? But let's see what their share tells us. What story do we have there? On 22nd May 2020, that share was valued at 149 rupees. And on 28th November 2019, which was last year, it was costing 351 rupees. Currently, it is trading at 245. Why am I telling you all of these stories? Because ये जब shares, all of these names are known to us, and yet I am 101% sure most of the viewers today have not invested in any of these particular stocks. Why? Because either the stock prices are they seem to be too high. Do you feel that the giants don't move at all, don't give returns at all? And what were we doing? What were most of the investors doing during this time? They were trying to chase Yes Bank because it was available at peanuts, 8 rupees, 12 rupees, 14 rupees. Let me give you an example of Yes Bank as to where it was and where it is currently. We chased Yes Bank, isn't it? Most of us had queries about should we invest into Yes Bank or not, right? डूबती हुई नैया के ऊपर सबको पैसा लगाना है. A good bank, people will not want to invest. Let me tell you what the story was with Yes Bank. Yes Bank on 6th March 2020 was at a 52-week low at 5 rupees 55 paise. And you would say, invest कर देते हैं, कितना पैसा जाएगा, कितना नुकसान होगा. 18th March 2020, it was at a high of 87 rupees 85 paise. And currently, as I speak, it is trading somewhere around 13 to 14 rupees. कितना रिटर्न दिया ये स्टॉक ने? We only want excitement in stock market. All of these names are known names. All of these names are the ones that we associate ourselves with on a daily basis. And yet, I am sure most of us have not invested on any of these stocks. I would have an account in HDFC Bank, in SBI, but I would not buy their shares. What kind of a logic is this? And people then go on to the Google and then they kind of do their research. Come on, what kind of a research is it? When all that I have just mentioned is all crystal clear and simple to follow. You can't go wrong with these companies because these are good companies, good governance, big companies, strong companies, good management. How can you ever go wrong? Markets will always go up and down, but your returns on these particular companies will never give you bad returns. If we start chasing banks like Yes Bank and investment ideas like them, what are you going to get? Sleepless nights? And then we kind of blame the stock market, that the stock markets don't give us any returns at all. It is not for genuine investors. I don't think so, because most of these names I have invested my money, and that is why I thought that I will bring these ideas to you. Why not think a little differently and invest into these companies for a change? You might think that all of these names are tips. If you have watched the television serial 1992 Scam, which is based on Harshad Mehta story, he has one peculiar dialogue there. He says, मैं मेरे बाप को भी फ्री में टिप नहीं देता. These are not tips by any standards. These are some of the ideas that I have been following myself, and I have been successfully following, and I am successful at it. And I felt I should be sharing this success story also with you. I may not have invested huge amount of money here, but all that I wanted to bring forth is that it's simple to follow. Let's not go into and kind of think about some companies which we have not heard of. These are all the names that are around you almost on a daily basis. Why not invest into them and be prosperous and create wealth for ourselves? Amongst all of this, right from March 2020, what did we do? What did most of the investors do? They said COVID hai, the companies may not give returns, the companies might not deliver good figures, good financial guidance. Well, yes, that's true, but then everybody is going through that challenge and we are all in it together, right? But these are companies, they are supposed to work. So once these companies start, they are back to their production lines, right? They are not going to think about you and me, whether this particular company share has to be this much and that, whether it has to be at a 52-week low all the time, so that I and you can purchase the shares. They are not going to look at that. They only think about positive things. They only think about what to do next. We can't sit back and kind of keep analyzing. We have every reason. कोविड के वजह से रिटर्न नहीं आएगा, अभी मार्केट 44,000 हो गया, बिकॉज अभी मार्केट्स में प्रॉफिट बुकिंग होगा. देन वी हैव सम अदर थिंग, ट्रम्प विल कम एंड बाइडन विल नॉट कम, सो उसके ऊपर we'll keep guessing on that. We can't do all of this. It doesn't make the markets go in one particular direction. It's basically your conviction and your confidence and your patience that has to be there when you start investing into these names. If you want to be wealthy enough, I think you should just stop reading the newspapers and look at all the media coverages. These are names which have been there 10 years, 20 years, 25 years, 30 years back, and probably would be continuing in the next 50 years as well. You need to be a part of the growing story. Let's not be an analyst. Let's not give excuses to avoid investing into these things, because the smart investor had actually started to invest into these stocks. Whether it was COVID or not, he invested because he believed onto that story of that particular stock, because he knew this company is good at this particular value. Because of COVID, most of the people actually ran away. They followed the herd mentality, right? और एक जो डायलॉग था हर्षद मेहता के जो सीरियल में, उसने बोला था, इमोशन में हमेशा आदमी गलती करता है. And that is what many of the investors did this time round. Let's not make those mistakes and repeat those mistakes again and again. Let's be smart enough. Let's create some wealth now, and it's time that we make the move. Do let me know how did you like this particular video. Do give it a like, subscribe, as well as share this video to your near and dear ones. Do share it so that others can also gain out of this particular information. Till next Thursday, this is Rajesh Attangadi, your Shubh Chintak. Guru Gurvar.